big selling feature on the Veritron for me was the bunker. The bunker makes things a lot more efficient in the field. With the old pull-type harvesters that we were running before, we always needed a truck beside us.
From the cab, Justin controls this potato harvester like he's piloting a fighter jet plane. There's a button for everything, and customizable functions with limitless controls and the ability to make your harvester exactly what you want it to be.
It's quite intimidating to operate at first. There's a lot of buttons. But I'm sitting in the cab there and I have the manual on my lap and I'm reading these different pages about, okay, like what does this do? And what if I go up with this?